walking. Look at Medox up there. Look at him. Oh my gosh. This tunnel though. Run out. That echo. Alright, we're almost to the end.
Oh, I see a little tiny like basis right there.
This is weird. Oh, see that? Alright, I'm thrown in.
Oh, they hit it. They just hit it.
Got one.
Got one, boy.
Oh! Dang. What is this, bluegill? Now is this a bluegill? Baby bluegill?
Yeah.
Baby bluegill. On the very first cast. Let's go, baby. Look at this. Alright. Gotta get a smaller hook on that. That was pretty fast. Alright, you gotta catch a big one. Oh my god. I think I got something again. Chub. There we go. I didn't even realize he was on. It's a little fatty chub. Look at this. This little dude. Hey! Look at that. Hey, that's a bigger one, actually. Alright.
There he is, boy. You gotta lip him.
You gotta lip that thing, man.
Wow, you can.
I know.
Alright, boy. Oh,
That's a good chub.
look at that color on him.
Good bait. Good bait chub. Using the bigger hook. Yeah. Bigger hook, bigger fish. Helps a lot. It might have scared the ones in this area away. Okay, I got one.
Oh,
Another chub. Look at that. Always flopping everywhere. Oh my god. I like this little creek.
move around. That's gas.
Sure. Didn't think we were going to catch anymore. 2 species. Nice.
Look at the blue. You see the blue specks? See those blue specks on there?
Yo, yeah. That's definitely a bluegill. Alright. Gonna trek back through the tunnel. Under the highway. Hey, you wanna put your light on? Back down the tunnel. Here we go. Oh shoot! Hold on. The things we do to catch chubs in bluegill. Pretty cash. Yep. Alright, dude, we made it out. We made it out alive without getting eaten by a monster. Straight back.